Mind-blowing space facts. Space is completely silent. In space there's no air, so sound waves can't travel. It's a vast, eerie silence. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons is about 3 times taller than Mount Everest and spans roughly the size of Arizona. Venus is the hottest planet. Despite being farther from the sun than Mercury, Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat, making its surface temperature over 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 475 degrees Celsius. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus rotates so slowly that a single day takes 243 Earth days, while a year is only 225 Earth days. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. A sugar cube-sized piece of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. The Sun takes 225 million years to orbit the Milky Way. This journey is called a galactic year, and Earth has made only about 20 of these trips in its entire history. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Sagittarius B2, a massive cloud near the center of our galaxy, contains enough alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Scientists estimate the universe contains 1 sextillion stars, and that's a 1 followed by 21 zeros. A spoonful of a black hole would weigh as much as Mount Everest. The immense density of black holes makes even a tiny amount incredibly heavy. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. The Sun is so massive that it accounts for 99.8% of the total mass of our solar system. You'd float for eternity in a black hole. Inside a black hole, time stretches infinitely, meaning you'd technically freeze in time from an outside perspective. The coldest place in the universe. The Boomerang Nebula has a temperature of -457.7 degrees Fahrenheit, or -272 degrees Celsius, just a degree above absolute zero. The Moon was once part of Earth. The leading theory suggests the Moon formed when a Mars-sized object collided with Earth about 4.5 billion years ago. Jupiter has the shortest day in the solar system. A day on Jupiter lasts just 10 hours because of its rapid rotation. The dark side of the Moon isn't actually dark, it's a myth. The dark side gets just as much sunlight as the near side, we simply can't see it from Earth. 16. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts have reported that the smell of space, from residue on their suits, is like a mix of gunpowder, seared meat, and welding fumes. Earth's atmosphere extends beyond the Moon. The outermost part of Earth's atmosphere, the geocorona, extends up to 390,000 miles, beyond the Moon's orbit. Saturn could float in water. Saturn's density is so low that if you had a big enough body of water it would float. There are diamond planets out there. Some exoplanets, like 55 Cancri e, are believed to be made largely of carbon, potentially forming diamonds. A day on Earth is getting longer. Due to the Moon's gravitational pull, Earth's rotation is slowing down, adding 1.7 milliseconds to each day every century.